Hi, my name is Tracy. I'm 62 and I recently came into Dr. Weinrach's office here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I had a bilateral augmentation, 545 cc's of the gel implants done in April. I also had a mommy's makeover, basically a tummy tuck with lipo. And I am very, very, very pleased with my results. I can't believe at 62 I look this great. So I'm very happy, and I highly recommend Dr. Weinrach and Joanna. They've been very sweet, very nice, very professional, and very patient, and take everything to explain everything to you. And they have no problem calling you back, and they keep in contact with you. So I highly recommend them. Thank you.